Hi, hello friends. Welcome to T Academy. Today I am going to share some important information regarding the assistant professor notification. Okay, so as all of you aware that for the assistant professor notification, the PhD is required and the PG is mandatory. But now we can see that the National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, so that is a NITTT or Kolkata, so has given a notification in which you can observe the qualification for the post of assistant professor. Okay, so please watch the video till the end. Don't skip the video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box here. Okay, so see here the notification here. The NITTR has given a notification for the post of assistant professor here, and it is on the contract basis. Okay, contract basis for the tenure of 3 years, and the pay scale level is 57,700 plus other allowances DA here. The number of vacancies are very less, but observe the what is the qualification, okay, and how they are recruiting them. So there is an important point here. So there is a reference for a Andhra Pradesh assistant professor notification. Okay, so here there is another post here, technical assistant grade 2. So it belongs to civil engineering. The pay scale will be 29,200 plus or minus DA here. Tenure will be same. The number of vacancies are only one. It is on contractual basis, right? Technical assistant grade 3 electrical. Okay, so this electrical here, the vacancy is one only, and the same salary as above here, and it is in contractual basis. And similarly, you can see section officer grade 2, so 35,400 plus DA, everything will be same as earlier here. And here observe section officer grade 1 accounts, so pay matrix level 7, okay, 44,902, 1,42,400, so 3 years if on deputation. Okay, that means from the other departments. So this notification is based on the deputation from the other departments, or they can call for direct recruitment here. Okay, so this is a basic information that you know. Okay, if you want to apply for this notification here, you can just go to the www.nitttrkol.ac.in, so that you can apply for this exemption. And the last date for the submission of application is, remember this point, it's on 19th July 2021 year. Okay, now observe the important thing that I want to discuss here. Yes, so this is the vacancy notification here, and this is the same thing we discussed in the earlier. Now this is the minimum qualification. See here, so that is a minimum qualification for the post of assistant professor here. That's on a contracted basis. The total number of vacancies are 8. Okay, and among them we have 3 vacancies for electrical engineering, right? Essential qualifications here. See, here the qualification is engineering or technology, BE or BTech or BS, and ME or MTech. Okay, so here they mention that BE and MTech, okay, or MS or integrated MTech. That means you have to do your BTech plus and MTech. Okay, education qualification here. Or integrated MTech means you have to combinedly do BTech and MTech as a combination courses in the relevant branches of computer science engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and civil engineering with first class or equivalent in any one of the degree as per the AICTE norms. So this is the essential qualification. Without this, you cannot apply for the post. Okay. Next, desirable. See, this is the point. This is desirable here. So in among the desirable here, the experience, the technical teachers training, okay, in designing curriculum of engineering and polytechnic colleges. So here they require designing, okay, desired qualification, okay, and integration of information technology IT in the specific area of specialization is a desired quality. Experience of guiding the project work discussion of PG research PhD students are supervising research and development projects in industry. Capacity to undertake lead sponsored R&D consultancy and related activities in the engineering and education management. So national or international projects handling and any other specifications as decided by the institute. So whether you are applying for this post or not, but observe the thing that here you have to complete your MTech. So MTech is mandatory here. So BTech plus MTech or integrated MTech, but they are not asked PhD. Okay, so they are sorry. Let me correct here. So it's not okay. So PhD they are asked for PhD here. Okay. Okay, let me correct here. It's not the right. So these are essential qualification here of this assistant professor post here. Okay, so PhD is not a mandatory here. Okay, so from this you can observe one thing. And when you talk about the other technical specifications here, so technical post here, technical assistant grade, okay, grade 2 civil. So the required is matriculation or SSC or equivalent in diploma in civil engineering. Okay, so this is the post, and you can see the desirable qualification experience here, and technical assistant grade 2, okay, electrical post here. So it's having only one vacancy here, and you can see the diploma in electrical is a qualification for this one. So what I want to try to say from this video is the qualification for the assistant professor is not mandatorily PhD. Why? Because this notification came this month. Okay, and for sectional officer grade 2, so okay, it will be graduation in discipline here. So this is the requirements, and see one more important point here. So okay, so important point is last date for the applying online application is 19th July 2021, and you can see the applications, everything will be here. And he see here, some of you asked for the assistant professor age. So as for the assistant professor here, though no age bar here, so you can apply at any age here. And let's see the priority for the PhD candidates and MTech candidates, how the selection process will take place here. Okay, so this is the final slide that I am going to show you. Okay, selection process or screening test here. See, observe here. The selection process will be as follows for the assistant professor post here. So for the assistant professor post, only the shortlisted candidate as per the merit list prepared based on the following criteria will be called for document verification after that interview. So both are there. Okay, there is no written examination. So you can see here no written exam in this category. So okay, so they will call, suppose if you are applying as a with the application of B or B Tech. Okay, so B or B Tech they will consider 20%. Okay, so with MTech they will consider 20%, and integrated MTech they will consider 40% here. Okay, so they're considering MTech integrated MTech means 40% they're considering. For the PhD candidates they're considering only 10% C. So this is the important thing you don't understand. Okay, so publications in general are patent 10% they are considering, and interview score will be 40% here. So based on this criteria they are going to shortlist here. So here as you can see they are giving how much priority to the PhD candidates. It's only 10% weightage. Okay, and the criteria for other selections will be same here, so that you can go through in the PDF which I will provide in the description link here. Okay, so thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.